it's going to take you time too to learn. Each blog has a different type of methodology as far as what they'll approve or not approve, like types of comments. Like you might see people that allow keywords in the name field. I'm not a fan of that at all. Like anchor text, right? Not a fan of it on blogs. Put your name. So you have to decide when you're doing your blog commenting. You either put your company name, which I'm not a huge fan of, because now it looks like you're just spamming them. Even if the comment's really good, and believe me, you'll get really frustrated if you spend half hour writing this awesome response in a comment, click submit, and it doesn't go through because you put a keyword in there or your company name. You have to pick a person, one person at your company, whether it's your name or you have someone do it on your behalf, internal. A person, that's their name that's going to be for commenting. Now you can link wherever you want. You have to play it by ear a little bit too. You might go to a blog, you might see a lot of companies letting through with comments, and you might let it go through. Still not a fan, because you don't want to get marked, because in WordPress, for instance, 90% of all blogs out there that are hosted professional blogs are WordPress. 90%. Okay? So in WordPress, right, you get a comment, and you don't want to ever see that person again. All you click is spam. It goes in a spam folder. I will never see a comment. That person could leave 100 comments. I will never see it again. So you don't want to get spammed, because then you're never going to get your messages to go through, and it's never going to help you.